Hi guys, this is Misu. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cook a special chicken. Well, because it's so simple, so I wanted to share this recipe with you. The food in China varies every single part. Whereas where I am from, it's most of the time it's famous for spicy, but it's not that famous. That's amazing! And I really miss the lifestyle. Because of COVID, I couldn't go back, and that's why I stuck in Hong Kong. No worries, even though in Hong Kong, I still can tell you how to cook 3-cup chickens! I chose some yellow one, and I would like to keep the bones and skin, both of them. I found the taste is also good with chicken breast meat, chicken legs meat, or chicken anywhere. Alright, and the other ingredients, it's basil. This kind of basil makes me drunk. And this is the secret to this recipe. This time we need to prepare at least 5 slices of garlic. We will keep a few, like 5 of them not cut at all, and the rest I will mince them. And ginger pieces, or 2 or 3 chilies at one time. But I prefer pepper because I like fresh pepper. Alright, that's it. Is it very simple? Oh, and other condiments. Today I'm gonna reintroduce you other condiments. This is called rice wine. Well, believe it or not, when I was a little girl, my great-grandmother and their friends and other relatives who lived in village, we once made rice wine by our own hands. If you cannot find rice wine, no problem. You can use other vinegar to replace. Okay, oil, cooking oil or sesame oil, and salt, of course, salt and soy sauce. Yes, soy sauce. Alright, that's it for ingredients. Firstly, wash our food. You need to wash them thoroughly. Wash them. Chop our peppers. 3 spoons of cooking oil into the pan. Fry each chicken nugget into golden color. Then turn it down, turn it up, turn it down and turn it up until they all turned into golden color. Get our ginger pieces and garlic pieces as well. Mix and stir chicken nuggets and the garlics and ginger together. Mix them and keep stirring. Okay. Put all chopped peppers into the pan and start to stir all of them in the pan. Shake the pan for a while. Now it's basil! Wow, basil leaves. Happily stirring. You can dance or you can sing at this time. Da 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 da. Woo! Get ready for the rice wine. I think at least 3 spoons of them. Put into our chicken nuggets. Sprinkle 3 spoons of soy sauce. After stirring, it's almost done. It's almost done. Cover it with the lid and let it stew for 1 to 2 minutes.
Last but not least, 1/3 of a small spoon of salt here. It's ready! Ooh, wow! Alright, place them on a beautiful plate. I put a tip of a fresh basil. Decorate and bring out the aroma of basil. And enjoy! Don't forget to subscribe for more. Thank you so much.